Good morning, students. I hope all are fine. So, class 9, today I am going to teach you chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. You see, linear equation in two variables. First, we need to understand what is the meaning of variable. Variable means whose value is not fixed. Variable means whose value is not fixed. Not fixed means, and what is fixed means, suppose I am writing 5. Okay, now you know this 5 will remain 5 only wherever it will go. So this is known as the constant value. And constant value, whose value is fixed. Because the 5 can't change. Okay, so this value is fixed. But at the place of 5, if I am writing 5x, now this is known as variable. Why this is known as variable? Because if I am changing the x value, then 5x value will be changed. If I am putting at the place of x 0, then what will be the value of 5x? 0. If I am putting the value of x 1, then what will be the value of 5x? 5. It means this, if it is 5, then it is a constant because this value is fixed. But if I am writing 5x, it means it is a variable whose value is not fixed. So whose value is not fixed, it means they are variable. So you got it? What does it mean? Variable whose value is not fixed and constant whose value is fixed. But here we are talking about linear equation in two variables. Now what does it mean? Linear equation means what? Linear equation means whose degree is 1. Whose degree is 1. Now what does it mean degree? Degree means highest power. Degree means highest power. Now if highest power is 1, then it is a linear equation. And if it is in two variables, then it is known as linear equation in two variables. Suppose I am writing 5x squared plus 3. Is it a linear equation? No. Why? Because highest degree is 2. And if highest degree is 2, it does not any linear equation. Okay. So this is not a linear equation. But instead of 5x squared, if I am writing 5x plus 3, so is it a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation. Why? Because degree is 1. Especially highest degree is 1. So yes, it is a linear equation. Okay, in this only I am asking, is it linear equation in two variables? No. Why? Because only here one variable is there. That is only x. Instead of 5x plus 3, if I am writing 5x plus 4y plus 3. Now, it is a linear equation in two variables. You got it? So, linear equation in two variables means 2 points must be there. First point, degree should be 1, and second point, variable should be 2. Then only it is known as two variables. So, this is the form of linear equation in two variables. This I have given an example only, but what is the form of linear equation in two variables? Form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the form of a linear equation in cost of a notebook rupees X and cost of a pen Y. In this question, according to question, we will make a linear equation. What is question saying? That cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. This cost of a notebook X is equal to twice the cost of a pen Y. Because this is the cost. If pen we are purchasing 5 rupees, so what will be the cost of notebook? 10 rupees. It means here I am putting 5 into 2, 10. Okay, so X is the cost of a notebook and Y is the cost of a pen. So cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Don't put twice here. Twice here because cost of a pen is half of the cost of notebook. So cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay, now X will remain here. Plus 2y will come this side. X minus 2y is equal to 0. This is a required linear equation. Got it? Question number 1 you got it? Okay. See question number 2. Now in question number 2, it is saying we have to find the value of A, B and C. So second some parts I will explain. First part 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. This linear equation is given. We have to find the value of A, B, C. So first what we will do, whenever this type of equation will come, first you transpose all the things this side. So what we will do, 2x as it is, 3y as it is, 9.35 bar. This will come this side, minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Okay, now if when I am comparing this thing from this form, so what is the x coefficient here? 2. What is the x coefficient here? A. So what A will be? 2. Okay. What is y coefficient here? 3. What is y coefficient here? B. So B is equal to 3. Next is, what is C here? Constant term. What is the constant term here? Minus 9.35 bar. Why minus 9.35? Because here positive sign is here. Okay, so how to compare and how to find the value of A, B and C? First, we will write whatever equation is given. Then by transposing, all things will come this side and then we will compare. Okay, so these type, from this method we can find A, B and C. So any one more example we can take. So we can take like this, 5 equal to 2x. Now if I am taking 5 is equal to 2x, either you can transpose this side or this side, it is up to you. If 5 is here, 2x will come this side, minus 2x equal to 0. Okay, look at very carefully. Coefficient we will see, don't see what is coming first term, what is coming second term. We will see the coefficient. X coefficient will be A, Y coefficient will be B and C will be the constant term. So here, if I am comparing with this equation, what is A here? X coefficient A. What is here X coefficient? Minus 2. So what will be A? Minus 2. Got it? B. B is Y coefficient here. What is Y coefficient here? Nothing. So I put 0. What is C? C here constant term. What is constant term here? 5. So A minus 2, B is 0 and C 5. Any one more method, by one more method we can do. Suppose I am not transposing this thing here, I transpose that. 5 is equal to 2x given na? Okay. So this will come 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So what will be A? What is the coefficient of A here? X, what is the coefficient of x here? A. What is the coefficient of x here? 2. B. Nothing. 0. Because no y is here. C. Minus 5. So both answers are correct. Okay. You can transpose this side also. You can transpose that side also. It is up to you. But main thing is this. Coefficient of x will be A here. Same here. Coefficient of y will be B and constant term will be C. So this is the another method. Okay. Now I will teach you about exercise 4.2. exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, you will see the first question. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. This is objective type question. A unique solution, only two solution or infinite solution. When I am writing y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now it is saying it is having unique solution or only two solution or infinite solution. First, you know this thing, if I am putting different values of x, I will get different values of y. Okay, so it means any value if I am putting, I will get another value of y. So these are having infinite solution. This is not having any unique solution. We can find more than two solution. So this is having infinite solution. You got it? Why infinite? Because it is a linear equation in two variable. And if I am putting y value, then I will get x value. So many values I can get. And same here, if I am putting different values of x, I will get different values of y. So this has infinitely solution. Now you see question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following questions. 4 solutions. First equation I am taking 2x plus y equal to 7. I have to find 4 solutions for this equation. Okay, 4 solutions. Anywhere you can put the values. Means one we can suppose and one we will get. So one you can suppose y value also, another you will get the value of x, and if you are supposing x value, then you will get the y value. It is up to us which we are supposing. So I will make first table xy 4 column because it is asking for 4 solutions. Okay. Now at the place of x also you can put, at the place of y also you can put. So I am putting at the place of x. So if I am putting at the place of x 0, x is equal to 0. Okay, put here. What will come? 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7. What will come 2 into 0? 0 plus y equal to 7. So what y will come? 7 only. Why 7? Because 7 minus 0, 7 only. So when I am putting x value 0, I get the y value 7. This is the first thing. Second thing, when I am putting x value 1, any value you can put. Second, x value 1. Put here 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. So 2 into 1, 2 plus y equal to 7. What y value you will get? 7 minus 2. So y value is 5. Okay. So when I am putting x value 1, what I am getting? Y value 5. So now I can put x value 2. Put x value 2 here. 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. So 2 into 2, 4 plus y equal to 7. So what y value you will get? 7 minus 4. So y value is equal to 3. So when I am putting x value 2, I will get y value 3. Okay. Next thing, when I am putting x value 3. When I am putting x value 3, 2 into 3 plus y equal to 7. Okay. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus y equal to 7. What I get? Y is equal to 7 minus 6 by transposing. So y is equal to 1. So when x value is 3, y is equal to 1. These are 4 different solutions for this equation. And this can be different for every person. You can put any value, you will get another value. Okay. So this is the first one, second one, third one and fourth one. These are the 4 solutions of this equation. If you want to write, you can pause the video and write. You got it? How to find 4 solutions? We can find 4 solutions of any equation by this method. Okay. Next thing is how to check the solution of the equation. Question number 3. We have to check these are the solutions or not? Yes or no? So how to check it? See question number 3. One equation is already given. One equation is given x minus 2y equal to 4. Okay, I have to check this is the solution of this, means whatever so many options are given. We have to check that these are the solutions or not. Suppose first point I am taking 0, 2. I have to check this thing that these are the solution of this equation or not. In previous question we have done, we were finding solution. But in this question we have to check these are the solutions or not. How to check? Whatever equation is given, first I will take LHS. Okay, what is LHS here? X minus 2y. Get it? Now at the place of x, what I write? 0. Why? Because this, whenever coordinates we are writing, this always be on the x-axis and another will be on y-axis. So at the place of x, what I write? 0. Yeah. Minus 2 into, at the place of y, what I write? 2. What is coming? 0 minus 2 into 2, 4. 0 minus 4 minus 2. Is it same as RHS? No. This is not equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS, means these are not the solution of the equation. No. Okay, you got it? See again. Equation is given. We have to check these are the solution of the equation or not. So first I will take LHS and I will put the values. How to put the values? X value always will be on first position and on second y value. I am seeing that it is not equal to RHS. So no, this is not a solution of this equation. Okay. One more example we can take. Root 2 and 4 root 2. Now I am taking root 2 and 4 root 2. We have to check this is solution of the equation or not. Again, LHS I will take x minus 2y. What x? Root 2 minus 2 into, at the place of y, 4 root 2. What will come? Root 2 as it is. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8 root 2. Now you see, minus 8 root 2 and plus root 2. Plus minus. Greater number is of negative sign, so I will put negative 8 root 2 and minus root 2. I will get 7 root 2, which is not equal to 4. Again, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, no, it is not a solution. Mean, if this will be the solution, it is must that LHS will be equal to the RHS. So these are the points how to check that these are the solution of the equation, yes or no, by putting the values. If we are putting the values and LHS, it should be equal to RHS, then only yes it is a solution, otherwise no, it is not a solution. Got it? Now you see once question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Yeah, so in 4.2, question number 4, it is given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Again, x and y values are already given, and this is also given. These are the solution of this equation. 2x plus 3y equal to k. Means x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. Okay, we have to find the value of k. These are different type of question. First we were doing how to find solution for that. Then next we are done that how to check this is a solution or not. Now third thing, solutions are already given. We have to find any unknown variables. So how to find 2 as it is at the place of x value is given 2 plus 3 as it is into at the place of y 1 because value is given equal to k as it is because we don't know what is the value of k. 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to k. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7 equal to k. It means what value I got of k? 7. equation, I got the value of k equal to 7. I 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to k.